Hello there everyone, and welcome to our Sweet Moments release full reveal video. So in this release we have tons and tons of goodies. We have 6x8 stamp sets with coordinating dies. We also have some 4x6 sets and also a mini set with a coordinating die too. As well as that, we have some hot foil plates which are very pretty. We have a standalone layering stencil, 3D embossing folders. We have a 6x6 pattern paper pack and also some masking tape. First up we have Colourful Soul. Now this is a 6x8 stamp set, and as you can see we have two beautiful blooms on here as well as 3 layering leaves. We also have some really great sentiments in this set too. If I open up the inspiration guide, you can see that we do have the layering guide for all of the flowers and the leaves within this, as well as some extra inspiration too. As well as the stamp set, we also have that coordinating die set, so you are going to be able to cut out all of those flowers and leaves and a few of the sentiments from the set. This is a great stamp set for all different occasions, and we are sure you're going to have so much fun using this one. Next up we have Pots and Plants. Now this is a 6x8 outline stamp set, and we do have tons of beautiful sentiments on this one as well. So we have those 3 kind of potted palms or plants in the outline, so you are able to colour these in using your most favourite colouring mediums. As well as the stamp set, we also have the coordinating die set available, and that is going to cut out all of the stamped images from the set. Next up we have All Things Sweet. Now this is a 6x8 set, and it is a layering stamp set too. So we have 3 beautiful kind of treat inspired images in this one with all of the added layers too. If I open up the inspiration guide, you can see that we do have the layering guide for the 3 images in the stamp set. So that large chocolate sundae, we have the chocolates, and also a tiny cupcake, which is ever so sweet. As well as the stamp set, we also have the coordinating die set available, and that is going to cut out the 3 images from the stamp set really quickly and easily, so you can add these to your projects in no time. Next up we have Happy Petals. Now this is a 4x6 set, and as you can see we've got that large outline of a floral cluster there, as well as lots of different sentiments to use for all different occasions. Inside the inspiration guide we have tons of inspiration on how to use this set. As well as that, we also have the coordinating die set available, and that is going to cut it around that large image for you, so you don't even need to worry about fussy cutting. Next up we have Inside and Out Thanks. Now this is a 4x6 inch sentiment stamp set. You can see that we have those 3 large words in there in a beautiful script font that say thanks, grateful, and also so kind. And then we also have the coordinating add-on sentiments, so you can create your own custom sentiments for all of your thank you cards. Next up we have Tiny Sentiments Hello. Now in this little set you can see that we have a 3x4 inch stamp set, and you can see that we have tons of hello kind of add-on sentiments in here. Now this will coordinate with the Tiny Sentiments Hello die, and in here you can see that we have the hello sentiment as well as a strip underneath. And that strip is perfectly sized so you can add the sentiments from the stamp set within it to create a really cool focal point on your projects. Next up we have Eucalyptus Wreath. Now first up we do have the hot foil plate, and you can see that this is such a beautiful partial wreath that you can add together if you want to create a full one. It is really quite large, so this is what you're going to use to foil your element first. As well as that, we also have the simple colouring stencil which coordinates. Now this is going to allow you to quickly and easily add ink blending colour through the stencil onto the image to create a really, really beautiful design. Next up we have another hot foil design for you, and this is all kinds of amazing hot foil plate. On this one you can see that we have that really beautiful sentiment in a beautiful handwritten script font, and this is going to allow you to foil that onto your projects. Next up we have a Splatter hot foil plate. Now this is a large one, and as you can see here we have a whole background here. So this is going to enable you to create a beautiful gold foil splattered effect on your backgrounds. It doesn't necessarily have to be gold, you could use all different kinds of foil, whichever ones you choose to create truly different looks. Next up we have Rose Mallow. Now this is a simple colouring stencil, and you are also going to get those masks in there too. Now you are going to receive 3 different stencils in here to create truly beautiful flowers and leaves. If I open up the layering guide, you can see that we do have the layering guide within here for those 2 beautiful flowers and all of those different kinds of leaves that are within the stencil set. Next up we have Playful Blooms. Now this is a 6x6 inch 3D embossing folder, and you can see that we have those beautiful flowers on there as well as their stems and leaves. Now this will enable you to add this beautiful design into your cardstock in a raised 3D fashion. This can be used for all different occasions, and we are sure you're going to have so much fun adding these to your projects. Next up we have Woven Basket. So again, this is a 6x6 inch 3D embossing folder, and this one is going to allow you to create a full all over background onto a 6x6 inch piece of cardstock. It is very, very pretty. As it's kind of geometric and natural, I believe that this would work for all different occasions and all different styles of cards as well. Next up we have a 6x6 paper pack. So this is Altenew Blends paper pack. In here we have 24 sheets. They are 6x6 in size, all of them. They are 80 pounds cardstock, and you can see just all the beautiful colours that you are going to have in this set. They are all double-sided as well, so you have lots and lots of these beautiful kind of colour ink blends to add to all of your projects. Next up, we have some satin masking tape. Now this is fabulous, fabulous stuff. So this is going to allow you to kind of keep your dies in place while you run them through your die cutter machine. It's beautifully and soft. It is very low tack, but it is reusable, and it is not going to cause any tearing if you do use this on your projects. So here are all of the new products in our release. We really do hope that you spotted something in here that inspires you and makes you want to create something beautiful. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and we'll see you again really, really soon. Bye-bye.
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching.